the birds, and the bees.
Dad,
Yes, son?
can you tell me about the birds and the bees?
Why, yes, son, I can. Son, if you look to your right over there, you'll see a bird. And if you look over to your left, you'll see bees!
Hello, my name is Dr. von Strugelhoffen, and I have created the new Super Bee. It is inside of this crate here. There are 3,000 of them. And what they can do is they can make honey 30 times faster than any other bee on the known earth. Problem being that they are 30 times more ferocious. And they should never be let out in the public, or the wild, or anything of that nature. If they were to get... They're stinging them. And then they're gonna sting me. Oh my God!